Congratulations on the purchase of your new Mercury engine. You may want to open the box right away, but we hope you take a second and make sure there wasn't any damage in the shipping process. If there is any damage, please contact your selling dealer for assistance. Make sure you also review the yellow CDI card located on the outside of the box. And now for the fun part. Every 9.9 horsepower engine will come with a gas tank, literature packet, toolkit, engine oil, and a safety lanyard. During the unboxing process, make sure you have a safe platform for the engine to be mounted on and follow your installation manual step by step. Once it's mounted, let's get under the cowl and get it ready for the water. First, remove the yellow oil fill cap. These engines are not shipped with motor oil in them, but we provide 1 liter of 10W30. You'll need 800 milliliters of it to pour in. Use the measurements on the side of the bottle and check your final level with the dipstick. With the included flathead screwdriver, remove the upper screw to ensure the lower unit is filled with gear lube. If you cannot see the gear lube in the reservoir, use a zip tie or bread tie as a dipstick to check the level. All engines should be shipped with gear lube already. Once checked, replace the upper screw. The engine's prop comes installed as well, but always make sure it's securely attached and the cotter pin is in. Inspect the throttle controls for proper function and ensure all things are in working motion. Finally, attach the safety lanyard. To begin the starting procedure, we recommend dropping the engine in water. With a supplied gas tank, open the vent and connect the fuel hose to the engine via the valve on the front of the outboard. Ensure the engine is in neutral, engage the choke, squeeze the primer bulb, and pull the engine over. With the starting procedure complete, please finalize your customer delivery inspection by logging on to mercurymarine.com/CDI. If you need any further information concerning your Mercury outboard, refer to your owner's manual or visit mercurymarine.com.